Fayetteville homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to lower energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and boost home value. One of the smartest upgrades you can make is investing in energy-efficient windows. With Arkansas's mix of hot, humid summers and chilly winter nights, the right window type can dramatically improve how your home feels year-round. If you're considering an upgrade, here are the top energy-efficient window options perfectly suited for Fayetteville homes. Double pane and triple pane windows. When it comes to insulation and energy savings, double pane and triple pane windows are the gold standard. These windows feature 2 or 3 layers of glass with a sealed space in between. That air or gas-filled pocket helps reduce heat transfer, keeping warm air inside in winter and blocking hot summer air from entering. Double pane windows offer a strong balance of performance and affordability. Triple pane windows deliver even greater insulation, ideal for homeowners focused on maximum efficiency and noise reduction. For Fayetteville's climate, double pane windows are typically more than enough, but triple pane options can provide an extra layer of comfort for larger homes or high sunlight areas. Low E glass, low emissivity coating. Low E glass is one of the most important features for energy-efficient windows. This invisible coating reflects heat and harmful UV rays while still letting natural light pass through. In the summer, low E coatings help keep your home cool by bouncing solar heat away from the window. During winter, they help trap indoor heat. The benefits include lower energy bills, better temperature control, reduced fading on furniture, hardwood floors, and decor for Fayetteville homeowners who want long-term comfort and UV protection. Low E windows are almost always recommended. Argon and krypton gas-filled windows. Gas-filled windows enhance insulation by adding a dense gas between panes instead of regular air. These gases slow down heat transfer, boosting energy efficiency without affecting visibility. Argon gas is more common and affordable, offering excellent insulation for most homes. Krypton gas provides superior performance but at a higher cost, typically used in triple pane setups. If you're upgrading from older single-pane windows, choosing argon-filled double-pane windows alone can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. Vinyl and fiberglass energy-efficient frames. The window frame material plays a big role in efficiency. Some materials conduct heat, while others help block it. Vinyl frames. Vinyl windows are popular in Fayetteville thanks to their affordability, durability, and built-in insulating properties. They don't warp, peel, or require painting, making them a low-maintenance option that performs well in humid climates. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass frames are stronger and more resistant to temperature changes. They won't expand or contract as much as other materials, which helps prevent air leaks. Although they cost more, they provide excellent insulation and longevity. Energy Star certified windows. To guarantee energy performance, look for the Energy Star label. These windows meet strict efficiency standards for the Southern Climate Zone, which includes North Carolina. Energy Star windows often include advanced low E coatings, gas fill between panes, high-performance frames, low U factor and SHGC ratings for better heat control. Choosing Energy Star windows ensures your investment is backed by verified testing and real-world performance benefits. Tilt-in and casement designs for better seals. The window style you choose can also affect efficiency. Some designs seal tighter than others. Casement windows crank outward and press tightly against the frame when closed, creating one of the best air seals available. Tilt-in double-hung windows offer convenience and easy cleaning while maintaining strong energy performance. Modern versions come with advanced weather stripping to reduce drafts. Both options help limit air leakage, which is especially important during Fayetteville's colder months. Final thoughts. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your Fayetteville home. Whether you choose double-pane windows with low E coating, gas-filled panes, or Energy Star-rated designs, these options can significantly reduce your energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and add value to your property. With the right combination of materials, glass coatings, and window styles, your home will stay cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and more comfortable all year long.